fun to be out here, and it's nice all the time. And then there's a lot of kind of adventure to that too. A lot of just going out there and doing some new things.
Just being in nature is fun.
Frisbee in the rain and getting soaked.
Oh yes, we have to take showers every day. Mandatory, it's not an option.
And obviously the food. Food's the best part.
Kate's food.
We started the week learning kind of hazard things, so they learn about poison ivy and bull nettle and things they'll never see in the city but really need to know. Any sign of animals, so that's...
I don't know, maybe we should keep walking around.
There has been a wild cockapoo.
It's good to find in the sand. You can really see tracks easily.
And then I think above everything else, we learn a lot about teamwork and sportsmanship, and then and really how to be a good, a good friend with each other.